In this video, we bring to you the best 3-bedroom shipping container homes in Australia, each house with its floor plan and a possible cost of construction, plus the selling price of each house. The first project we are looking at is Beachbox BD in Queensland. This is built using 3 shipping containers. There we have the floor plan indicating each and every space in the house. That's the entrance to the foyer. That is the foyer of the house, linking the 2 wings of the house. That is the kitchen wing, showing the L-shaped kitchen. We have the dining in the foreground, showing some bench seating and a big picture window. We have the main bathroom of the house as indicated there, with the bedroom, children's bedroom in the background. On the other wing, connected with the foyer, is the living wing, showing the lounge area with that pocket window. We have that beautiful glass window with the viewing frame for the children. That is one of the bedrooms accommodated in that container. Then we have the last container with the rompers room and another bedroom with a bunk bed on the extreme end. That is a view of the exterior of the project, showing the well-landscaped garden and manicured lawns. The next project is the Elliot Container House in Queensland. This beautiful project is built using 7 shipping containers, and it has 2 on the ground floor and 5 on the upper floor. That is the floor plan for the ground floor level, showing the guest wing, the storage container, and the space in between is used as a carport. That is the internal view of the guest wing, showing the living area. We have that fully equipped bathroom, and we have the bedroom on one of the extreme ends of the container, while on the opposite end we have a well done home office, and you can have a close look as indicated. We have an external staircase that is connecting to the first floor level of the house. This is where the main living functions of the house take place. On this particular level, we have 3 bedrooms with a master ensuite and open plan living with a galley kitchen and a walk-in pantry. That's a view of the living area, the full glazing as indicated there. We have a closer view of the dining space that can sit around 6. That is an open kitchen with enough counter space and well done countertops. One of the bedrooms, another bedroom in one of the containers. We have that common or family bathroom as shown there, very well done. We have a laundry space also provided. That is the master bedroom. Another view of the master bedroom, and we have that is a master bathroom, and we have also a small dressing area. The entire house opens onto a wraparound deck with amazing views of the landscape. The next project is this amazing Sanford container home in Tasmania, built using 4 to 6 shipping containers. This is the floor plan showing the 3 bedrooms. We have the open plan living, the dining, and also the family room. To access the house, there's a side entrance which opens into an open plan living space, showing the lounge area, and you'll notice the full height glazing that makes the place to be well lit. That is a breakfast table next to the kitchen. That's a view of the kitchen and the breakfast table as a close view. That is a single-walled stainless kitchen, giving it some commercial kitchen vibes. We have that a view of the breakfast area that is leading up to the dining space. That dining space is big and it can sit up to 8 people. You'll also notice the wood burning stove to keep the house warm during winter months. This is a view of one of the bedrooms, well done and well appointed. That is another view of another bedroom with the home office. This is a closer view of the office area in the bedroom. That is the common bathroom shared between the 2 bedrooms with a bathtub, and enough storage shelving. Next is the master bedroom of the house. It is well appointed and it is spacious and it is giving luxurious vibes through and through. We have the walk-in closet with enough storage shelves. The master bathroom is equally well done with a walk-in shower and other bathroom facilities. That is a view of the outdoor sitting area from the living space. The next project is the Tokal Container House in New South Wales. This amazing house was built using 4 shipping containers stacked in a cruciform layout. On the ground floor level, we have 2 shipping containers arranged side by side to accommodate an open plan living space, a kitchen and a laundry. From the kitchen, you'll find we have well done counter space. We have stainless steel appliances and a big kitchen window to light up the counter and the sink space. That is a view of the dining area that can sit around 6 people comfortably. That is a view of the living room showing the lounge, and you'll notice we have the wood burning stove to keep the house warm during colder months. That beautiful staircase connects to the first level of the house where we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The 2 bedrooms share a common bathroom and they are well appointed and spacious enough to accommodate single beds and also double beds. The master bedroom is equally big and they can accommodate a queen bed or a king size bed depending on your choice. That is a master bathroom with access to the outdoors. That is a view of the rooftop terrace, and on the ground floor level it is a big family terrace with alfresco dining and enough outdoor facilities for entertainment. The next project is the Lower Portland Container House in Victoria. It is built using 4 shipping containers arranged in a courtyard layout to accommodate 3 bedrooms and open plan living. That is the floor plan showing the 2 wings of the house, the living wing and the bedrooms wing. So from the entrance you get into an open plan living space which accommodates the kitchen, the dining and the lounge areas. We have the closer view of the lounge area with the wood burning stove. That is a view of the courtyard with the pool from the living area. That is a closer view of the courtyard and the saltwater pool. One of the bedrooms with a bunk bed arrangement with a working space. That is a view of another small bedroom in the house. And lastly, we have the master bedroom, which is big enough and it has got its own with beautiful counter spaces. That is a view of the outdoor deck that has amazing views of the river with additional outdoor facilities for entertainment. The next project is the Church Point Container House in New South Wales. This one was built using 6 shipping containers to create an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom container house with enough outdoor living facilities. The house is accessed downhill into a lower level which accommodates the bedrooms and the living room. So the interior of the house is lined with plywood through and through, and we have a common bathroom that is shared between the 2 bedrooms, and the 2 bedrooms are big enough to accommodate up to 2 beds plus the open plan space that accommodates the family living space. This family room opens outdoors into an outdoor living space with a swimming pool, and the pool deck space is big enough to accommodate outdoor dining, outdoor lounging and even some barbecue facilities. The next level of the house accommodates the master suite and the open plan living space. The master bedroom is big enough to accommodate a queen size bed or a king size bed, and it is also well lit. The space is equally lined with plywood on the walls through and through. The open plan living space has a dining, a kitchen and a lounge space, and it is equally finished in plywood through and through with minimalist furniture and maximizing on natural lighting with walls of windows in almost every direction because this particular module was built using timber as opposed to shipping containers. It also opens out onto an outdoor deck, which provides a good atmosphere for outdoor living with alfresco dining and lounging spaces. The next project we are looking at is the Linb shipping container house in Victoria, built using 4 shipping containers to create a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom house. On the ground floor level, we have open plan living space with a kitchen, a dining and a living space with walls of windows opening onto an L-shaped outdoor entertainment space. The open plan space is well lit and it has no walls anywhere, creating a seamless flow of functions of the living space. They are equally well appointed. The kitchen is also small and sleek with modern finishes throughout, plus the dining space that can accommodate 6 people. The staircase connects to the first floor level of the house, where all the 3 bedrooms of the house are located. We have 2 bedrooms which are almost equal in size, placed next to each other and sharing a common bathroom which serves all the 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom occupies the extreme end of the shipping containers and it has got its own private balcony with amazing views of the backyard of the house. The next project we are looking at is the Nin shipping container house in South Australia. This amazing house is built using 4 shipping containers placed nicely down the slope. The living space is accommodated on the upper story of the house and is accessed on the upper side of the hill with a carport fronting the hill. The open plan living space accommodates a lounge area and a nice fireplace with well lit indoor spaces and nice simple furnishing. There's a wall lined with a kitchen counter to create a fully functional kitchen that is also well equipped. Next to it is one of the bedrooms and it can accommodate a children's crib. We have that common bathroom that serves the living space of the house. One of the bedrooms that also has a piano space. The lower level of the house, which has amazing views of the access, is accommodating the master bedroom and it has a walk-in robe and an ensuite bathroom. The bedroom is equally well lit with uninterrupted views of the road and the approach to the house. This amazing house is given industrial finishes on both levels of the house with corrugated steel on the upper level and cotton steel on the lower level of the house. The next building we are looking at is one of the tallest single residential projects in Australia and is located in the beautiful city of Adelaide, and it is built using 8 shipping containers spread over 4 levels to create a high-rise building. On the ground floor level, we have 2 bedrooms, a foyer and a common bathroom. Steel staircase is linking the different levels of the house. On the lower level, we have 2 equally sized bedrooms and they are well appointed to serve the functions of the house. We have that common bathroom which is equally well finished. On the second level of the house, we have the living space, the kitchen and a family balcony. On this particular space, you can see we have the lounge in the foreground and the kitchen space in the background. There is also a dining space that can serve 6 people. Next to the dining is the lounge area and it is equally well lit with natural light from all directions, also taking advantage of the high-rise position of the house. That's a beautiful daybed next to the window with a view of the city, a close view of the L-shaped kitchen with modern finishes through and through. There's a beautiful kitchen backsplash to complement the kitchen space. The third level of the house accommodates the master suite with a master bedroom space, a bathroom and a walk-in closet. This space is a parent's retreat with a beautiful bed space and a big picture window. We also have a walk-in robe. It also has a beautiful slit window with a view of the city. This amazing house has got views in every direction, plus the master suite with a beautiful bathtub and fully tiled bathroom walls. The topmost level of the house is a rooftop terrace which accommodates the best views this building can offer with uninterrupted views of the city's skyline. The last project we are looking at in this particular video is this Bushland container house. This amazing house is built using 4 shipping containers, 2 on the ground floor and 2 on the first floor level. The living space, 1 bedroom and the kitchen are accommodated on the first floor level of the house. This amazing house does not have 3 bedrooms per se, but it has a living space with the sofa bed that can be pulled out to create additional sleeping space. That is a closer view of the dining area with industrial finishes. The common bathroom on this particular level is also well done. That is a view of the bedroom on the ground floor level. On the upper level we have the master suite, which accommodates the bed area, the working space and the master bathroom. This space is well appointed and it has amazing views of the beach beyond. There's also a well finished master bathroom, and we also have a small office area with a big window that gives unrestricted views of the outdoors. There's also a private balcony from the master bedroom with amazing views of the neighborhood. This beautiful project is well done and it has amazing exterior finishes complemented by the nice landscaping around the building. Which of these projects do you like the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. At the introduction of each and every project, there is a summary of the project details, including the number of containers, the selling price, the number of bedrooms, and even its location. Feel free to pause or even take your time to watch again so that you can acquaint yourself with each detail for the project. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've watched, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers to help our channel reach as many people as possible. If you like our channel, feel free to subscribe for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.